like Kurt. Me a Kurt on a show like today I'm a birthday. I have no man, I seen I'm on a nerd, babe. Me I get pussy from a day and I'm a third grade. No of them class bad bitch in the world. Not the worst, but good things coming out the worst ways. I will say use it. It's connected to you.
I say I want you. She give me the best vibe in the X5. And the left side for the best ride. She give me the best vibe in the X5. Tattoo, long time you want say you want you.
Anyways, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the most consistent person on the YouTube platform right now. No, I'm joking. I'm really trying to be. I am on my way to get my hair done. So this is gonna be like a come to my appointment with me, hair appointment with me. I've seen a couple of YouTubers do it before, so I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna do it myself. I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going to Italy tomorrow. I don't think I've actually told you in any of my vlogs, to be fair. I'm going to Italy tomorrow and I'm so excited. I'm only going for 24 hours, but that's gonna be like a separate vlog. Yeah, I'll record that for tomorrow. But today we're going to get my hair done, baby. And I got the bust down inches. It's not jet black because I didn't have time. Well, I did have time, but I just kind of forgot to dye it, to be fair. But it's gonna be, I think it's 30 inches, guys. It's 30 inches and I'm a 5'3" babe. So you already know, sir. It's past my bum. Like, it's actually on my bum, if anything. Touch me, I dare you. Oh, lucky. So yeah, I'm literally going to go and get my hair done by my girl Candy Baby. She wants to start doing hair, so I was like, listen babe, let's collaborate. I bring the stuff to you, you do my hair and you practice, and I want you to get good at your craft, you know what I mean? Because one thing about me, like, if I see you want to do something, I'm going to encourage you, do you know what I mean? And I've been on her ass about making this Instagram post. So baby girl, when you watch this vlog, where's the Instagram page? I'm really waiting. Like, we're all waiting at this point. We're all waiting for you to obviously make your Instagram. Like, babe, there's money to be made and you're sitting on yourself. Like, you're literally sleeping on yourself. Just wanted to introduce this vlog because I feel like when I get to her, I might forget. I might coincidentally forget to introduce the vlog. So I was like, let me just start from now.
About a day was thinking, I've seen you laugh time since
screaming.
Everybody waiting on that baby, man. I mean, it like ever since baby on baby drop. Ever since baby, oh no, nobody drop shit. Let's go. Ha! I needed some shit with some bop in it. I flew past the whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched it swerving. That whip had a cop in it. My bitch got good pussy, fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli, I did it legitly. I'm still with the shits, I'm a hot nigga. Oh, you asking for pictures with niggas? What's your name? Get the fuck out the spot, nigga. Tryna figure which deal I'ma take. I woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went gave my mama $100. Probably won't hit me up in my mouth. Bless you hearing me talking about finding some money. Let's go. As soon as I found that I flipped that. I'm a little bit different. They get it. Don't stiff on the bitch and she did. Tryna find out why baby ain't all in the mentions. No, she ain't get no DM from me. This rich nigga dick, it ain't free. She be throwing that at and she good at it. Turn around when we fuck, make her look at it. She like, ha. I needed some shit with some bop in it. I flew past the whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched it swerving. That whip had a cop in it. My bitch got good pussy, fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli, I did it legitly. I'm still with the shits, I'm a hot nigga. I'm on orthodox than a motherfucker. Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked. Niggas ain't fucking with me and ain't bout what the fuck they be rapping about what they look scary. To each his own, nigga. If you like it, I love it, no big. That boy say you get money, no really. How much they just cut you a check for $1 million? I'm going back to Cali like big. About to go get a pound just to smoke. They told me to come work on my album. I'm trying to go find out the price on the boat. My little bitch ain't like begging the stallion. She keep going nasty, she driving the boat. All this shit that they making me born, be something about while I ride with the pole. Here you go. I needed some shit with some bop in it. I flew past the whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched it swerving. That whip had a cop in it. My bitch got good pussy, fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli, I did it legitly. I'm still with the shits, I'm a hot nigga.
Hold on. I got to start this motherfucking record over again. Wait a minute. Fuck that shit. Still on this motherfucking record. I'ma play this motherfucker for y'all. Hey, y'all get some more drinks going on. I sound a whole lot better.